Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Oukitel K13 Pro. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here begin a search for Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game. So in order to fix this, let's go back. Click on the top left corner of our screen and move to the settings. From here scroll down and find parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN right here, or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code. Here increase PG to at least 16 and save the process. Now let's leave that and search for Call of Duty yet again. And the game should be here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.